Here we are by the Dupage River. Oh, what is that? Some kind of, almost looks like some kind of monster shelter or animal den or something. Wow. Hi. Wow, there are monsters in here. What is it, guys? Where are we?
Wood. Well, it looks like somebody was probably camping here and used some materials to build a cool house.
Wow, it's pretty cool in here, man.
And I found a chunk of wood.
Very good, baby. And you can look outside maybe and look at...
This is
maybe
my
it's for
weapon.
hunting. Maybe it's a hunting shelter. You can sneak and look outside at the ducks or something,
From
right?
there.
Yeah, lots of
lake's
holes up
right over
behind
there.
James, too. The river's right behind you. Let's go see.
I turned up the weapon a little more so it's bigger.
The river's right over here, guys.
Yeah, it looks like somebody just went camping and used some materials. So I remember on the TV show this guy would go off in the wild. And that's how we went.
Wow. Here's the river. Oh, a muskrat, muskrat in the water. Do you see him? You having fun, baby? Good. See?
Where's eggs?
Whoa, no, that's an old nest from last year. They'll build new ones and put eggs in them.
Can you keep it?
If you want to.
Yeah, but you gotta hold it.
Yeah, I think we have a nest by our house. We'll leave this one here, okay?
Yeah. Besides,
And then they can use this again. They can use the materials to build a new nest, okay? All right. Hey, where are we? What are we doing?
we're going on a small trail. We're going to home.
We're finally going home after our long hike in the forest. A little bit of a gloomy day, but it's a nice hike in the woods and the prairie. Hey, come on.
You might be a little bit scared, Dad. Zoom in on them.
What are they doing?
Bobbing their heads like a
Yeah, they are.
Maybe they're catching quick fish. Oh, he just snipped on the boy. The duck's snipping the boy. Snip the boy. The mother's snipping the boy. See, she's just nipping the boy.
Yeah, how did you get a red-tailed hawk?
This hawk and all the birds of prey that live here at the schoolhouse are here because for one reason or another they couldn't survive on their own. They got hurt and their bones didn't heal right, so they can't fly very long. They just make little hop flights. And that's not good enough for a bird like this to hunt and find food. So she lives here with us, and we feed her, and in exchange, she comes out to schools with me and helps me teach people about wildlife.
And what are you doing with her now, today?
I'm just taking her for a walk.
Just a walk, not a
It's
flight?
enrichment for them. They're incredibly intelligent animals, and they spend most of their life in a cage, so I'm just giving her a change of scenery.
Just walking her, no flight?
No, she can't fly.
Oh, she can't? Oh, that's
Yeah.
so sad. They're so beautiful in flight.
They are. They are. Believe me, if she could fly, she wouldn't live here. She'd be out there.
Thank you. Wow, is that cool or what, baby? It's like she has a pet hawk.
Just flap. She just flaps her wings.
Wow.
100 pounds of pressure
Each toe.
So it's a lot of power, and
Well, that's how they kill them, right? They just
they
keep
rarely
talening
let go.
them to death,
They
and
just
then
tighten up their grip. They just keep tightening.
How about
This glove is really thick, but I have another glove that's not quite as thick, and I've gotten bruises through the leather. If I didn't have a glove on, she'd go through my arm like a stick of butter.